Hi everyone, welcome back to another Cut Above with Chris. Head and face shave time. I've got 2 days growth and I'm going to be using a soap that I haven't used in quite some time. And this is a Tallow and Steel and MAOL Grooming collaboration. Echoes in the Rain, or Echoes of Rain, for Canadian wet shavers. The scent on this is a fantastic woodsy, sort of herbaceous, dark scent, but it's got a little bit of brightness in there, a little bit of sunshine. Now, I've just got some water sat on the soap right now. I've just had a shower. I don't normally have a shower before I shave. I normally shave and then have a shower, but today I thought I'd do things a bit differently. So I'm just going to pour this water out now. Now I have popped a little bit of Furbo pre-shave on as well, just to get the party started. I'm just going to rub a bit of this on my face as well, because I will be having a face shave as well. They will be separate. Right, the brush for today, I've got my Port Rexton Brewing cold glass, is the carve. It's not the carve, I got the glass from the, I got the gra, Jesus, I need to sort of give up, you stop drinking, I had a few gins yesterday. The brush is a G-Point Ceramics Rhodium knot collaboration, a brother and sister collaboration, and there she blows. This has got a 28mm 3-band Silvertip. It's the only one that he has ever made, Sir Jan over at Rhodium Knots. Now Sir Jan I haven't been able to get in touch with for quite some time again. I don't know, I know he's alright. I've spoken to his sister and she says he's fine, but I can't get in touch with the bloke. So anyone else that's struggling with Rhodium or anything, I can't help, and I really don't know whether there'll be an end date to it. I don't know whether it'll ever change. But this is a lovely little ceramic brush with a beautiful knot in it, which I think now has stopped shedding. So here we go. I'm not going to need a massive load here because this is just for my head shave. I'm using the Headblade today. That's the brush loaded, and the Headblade, really what I want to try and do here is showcase why the Headblade is such a fantastic razor, because I think really, especially in this wet shaving space of traditional wet shaving with chevettes and double-edged razors, single-edged razors, where it's very much shaving the way your grandfather's grandfather did, you know, using single-edged blades, double-edged blades. Most of the stuff we use is very long life and recyclable, mainly a lot of the stuff, steel blades, steel razors, brass, copper, all these sort of things, they're all recyclable or very, very, very long lasting. So here we go. So what I want to sort of showcase today is just how good the Headblade is for a cartridge razor, and why sometimes you just need something like this. You know, head shaving can be a bit of a, it can be tedious at times, you know, sometimes, especially with a DE razor or a single edge. It's, as much as I enjoy the process and doing it all, it's still a labour of love sometimes, because there's so much to shave. You've got to be on guard a little bit more, you can't see the back of your edge, I do tend to get more irritation and sore spots. Just going to open the window a little bit, it's a bit steamy in here. The founder of Headblade, or the creator of it. No.
No. Are you shaving in the nude?
Yeah.
Who's that for?
I can't see my balls. So yeah, the CEO, the guy that created it, Todd Green, I was very lucky to have contact with him in 2017, and he has since sadly passed away. God, this is a very, very good soap. I'm going to stop there, I don't need any more than that. Right, so there it is. I've given it a bit of a clean. This is the first one I've ever had. I've had it for a very long time. It's got a 3-blade cartridge on there that's done a lot of shaves. And it's a very simple contraption to use. You literally put it on your finger and away you go. So here we go. Dip it in the water and straight against the grain. Now I've got 2 days growth. Put it in the water and rinse it off. That should be clear, and it is. And then obviously there's some parts of your face that you have to alter the technique with the razor, which isn't a problem. It still does the same thing. You've just got to make sure that little ball there sits on your skin when you're using it. You can't go wrong. Back on the finger again, like so. Now what this razor does, especially for me, is it is absolutely effortless to use. There's no thought process. You don't have to worry about getting the right or the wrong angle. That is what it does. Shake it in the water and crystal clear again. It is really just a no-brainer. And the main benefit, the biggest benefit I find for this razor, sometimes you need a quick head shave, like a really quick head shave. You know, it's happened on occasion with me where I've forgotten and I've been going out or I'm doing something, I've got something planned and I look a bit rough with the hair. I mean, I don't have a lot of hair, so it makes it a bit more difficult. So you whip out the head blade. I'm just going to wet my hand because I know this soap is very residually slick, and just have a bit of a feel. A little bit there. You obviously have to switch it around to whatever angle you need to chop the hair in the direction it's going. Flip it over again, I've got a little bit of hair there. Just going to touch up the sideburns. And over here. And that's it. That's a BBS head shave, there's nothing left. And that is the major benefit of a head blade. It's quick, it's easy, it's efficient, it can be a one-pass shave if you've got not too much hair on your head. Jesus, that was a bit of a challenge getting all that off. And that's it. The head blade is just full of soap here. It's just a fantastic razor. That's squeaky clean. Literally nothing left. One pass, bing bang bong. What a fantastic little razor. They do metal ones, they do plastic ones, they do a different shaped one which sort of you shave that way into the against the grain rather than pulling it. You push it into the grain. So this one goes that way to cut the hair. The other one goes that way to cut the hair. But that's a BBS shave with not a single spot of blood. Very comfortable. Done. Absolutely done. The brush, caked in lather. I'm not going to talk too much about the soap and things in this shave, I'll talk about it in the face shave. But Echoes in the Rain is a fantastic scent, really really nice. I do have the splash which will be getting smashed on after my face shave. And other than that, stay safe, drive safe, don't drink and drive. I'll catch you guys next time. Cheers.